everyone, and welcome back. Today I want to do this no makeup look with Mary Kay products that you guys requested. So that's the before and after. It's a quick look, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to use is this primer. I'm going to quickly apply it all over the face, especially in the areas where I have rough skin, maybe a little bit of texture, and that way it will have everything even and ready for the foundation. In this case, I am using the Time Wise foundation and I'm going to apply with a brush. I'm going to skip the concealer for today's look. It's usually this foundation has more than enough coverage to cover all the darkness that I have on my face. So I'm going to take the time and blend everything so it doesn't look like so much coverage that you can tell that it's, it's foundation on your skin. So I'm going to blend it very well and then move on to the bronzer. This is the darker bronzer Mary Kay used to have too. This is the darker version. It is a little bit orange for my skin, but I love to use it as a contour shade that kind of blends into my blush. So I'm applying a little bit and then moving it upwards so it blends with the blush. That it's going to be this, I think it's from the Duo Ripe Watermelon. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to apply it into the front part and also blending it towards the back and with the bronzer. Now with this I'm applying and also blending at the same time. Now it was a little bit more than I wanted, so I went back with a dual fiber brush and I made sure to blend everything seamlessly. So again, this is supposed to look a little bit more natural. However, I do like highlighter and I apply quite a bit right there, but then I'm going to blend it once again just to make sure that it does give me the highlight that I want, but not too dark or not too noticeable, because again, I'm not using that much in my eyes or anything like that. Then I'm going to go into this eyeshadow, and with that round brush I'm going to kind of comb my eyebrows. That way I will apply a little bit of color, but not too specifically in any area. I'm not going to reshape my eyebrows. I just want them to look very well, I don't know, brushed and in place all day long. So if yours are kind of crazy and go all over the place, this would be the perfect time to use the clear brow gel. Now for my eyes, even though I'm not going to use any kind of eyeshadow, I'm using the same bronzer and applying it into the crease area. Now this is very important because we usually have darkness in that area, but for me it's gray. But if I use something that is a little bit more warm tone, as you can see, it defines my eyes, it makes them look a little bit bigger, and it will help emphasize a little bit more my lashes. So I am using the newer mascara in the Mary Kay line. I think it's the Lash Intensity mascara. I will have a review soon, and tomorrow or in the next video you're going to see how I apply it. So I put a few layers of this mascara to kind of again look very girly but not too much makeup, and then this is the kind of mascara that you will get a little bit of smudges, so wait until they dry and then with a Q-tip remove them. You have different options that you can use for your lips. This is Natural Beauty and this is from the True Dimensions collection, or you can use this one. This is also a reddish color from the Semi Matte line, and this one is the orange from the Semi Matte, which is my favorite because I feel like even though I don't have that much makeup, it really emphasizes the lips and it creates something that makes even the most simple makeup look better. So I love this. I hope you enjoyed this no makeup look that I've been using a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.